Hi, my name is Layla and I help people to unleash their creativity into a paycheck, and today we'll talk about how to get published. If you are a photographer, makeup artist, stylist or a set designer, this video is for you. In the description to this video, I provided a link to my free publication guide called Get Your Work Published in a Day. It contains 30 free magazines you can submit your work for absolutely free with all the proper links and submission pages. I curated the list, making sure every publication had a good social following, so you're not wasting your time. All the links are below in the description. First, let's talk about why would you want to get published in the first place. Well, it increases your pull factor among your friends, but let's be honest, it increases the social proof for your potential clients. So if they see that you have publication, that means you are a good professional who has been recognized by other people, not only by them, and they trust your vision and your artistic abilities, which is crucial. Generally speaking, you want to increase your chances to get noticed by a gallery, by a client. Projects give you an amazing opportunity to work with people outside of your field. For example, you're a photographer and you can create your own crew of people who inspire you, who you would like to work with. You can work with amazing stylists who've been published before, who have much more experience than you do, and there's a very easy trick to get them on your team. You just need to simply send an email and explain that you are such and such and you're creating this shoot, this is your idea, and you would like to collaborate with them to get a publication together. I guarantee you like 85% they will respond to you saying yes, because everybody wants to get published. Generally, there are two approaches to that. You can either create a project and then start looking for publications with similar aesthetics and style that can potentially place your project in their publications, or you can look at existing publication and see what they are publishing right now. For example, if you do more like beauty shots, you might want to look into publication that are more focused on the beauty shots and see what the theme of the next issue is. So that gives you enough time to prepare a team and look at their mood boards to ensure that your particular shoot will get published. If you are an emerging artist, maybe that would be a good idea to look into web tutorials. So those magazines who only exist on the web and they have a decent following, and that increases your chances to get noticed by people. And right now I would like to share my favorite ones. All the Afternoon. This publication has a great social following and you just need to submit 6 to 8 images and a link to your portfolio, so the curator can see your work and pick the images he likes to get published on their portal. And this is a great tool for you to start building up your social presence. FST Toppers is another excellent portal for you to start leveraging your social media. So you literally just need to send a private message to Ryan Mens, who personally goes for every submission and picks one a day. My personal favorite is Caviar. It gives you an opportunity to see many different publications and magazines who are constantly looking for content creators and teams to publish. It allows you to see the publication, see the kind of like style they post, and if you like the theme they're proposing this month, you can read it up, look at the mood board, make sure that they have social profiles, check them out, look at the magazines they publish for, make sure that they are aligned with your aesthetics and you would potentially like to be published in their magazines, because you might not want to just like shoot blind. You might want to do some research and make sure that you truly want to be a part of the publications, because otherwise it's just like a waste of time. It's a free profile and you, to my knowledge, I think have 6 to 7 free submissions each month. So you have a limitation there, but if you use them wisely, you can truly leverage them. And not all of those publications require unpublished material. So for some of the publications, you can repurpose the shoot. For example, you shoot a story some time back and you submit to a magazine and they only require unpublished material. So okay, they have it, and in a little while you can republish that same shoot but the different magazine, and that gives you more publication from the same work and gives your team more credit as well. Make sure you republish your shoot after the exclusivity with the first magazine expires, if you have it. Another important point to get published is to make sure you read the guidelines. In many guidelines, there is a specification that you need to provide at least 3 looks for your model, and they have to be different, and try not to use the same clothes throughout the looks. Trying to combine different looks and create them truly unique. So for example, if you're working on a more conceptual piece, there are a range of different magazines and you can see through their work. Sometimes they state that they're looking for more conceptual work, they're looking for more weird stuff and their aesthetics a bit darker or a bit lighter. So make sure you read what the magazine is truly about, so it's aligned with your mission statement and with theirs, just to make sure you're on the same wave to get to the next level. Let me know if there's anything else I'm missing, if there's anything else you'd like to know more about. Please let me know if you got published and if your latest photo shoot has been featured in some magazine. I would love to know about your success. I'm just happy to share my knowledge with you.